Good day, everyone, and welcome to another session of Mathematics for the African Child. Today we are going to discuss a very simple proof in circle geometry. We want to prove a very simple theorem which states that the angle which an arc of a circle sustained at the center is twice that which is sustained at a point in the remaining part of the circumference. The angle which an arc of a circle sustained at the center is twice that which sustained at any point of the circumference. That's in other words. So let's look at it very well. When you look at the figure we have here, we have a circle, then we have an arc AB, and the center, the center is O. Now let me write it this way. Let me put it this way, so that now we are given an arc AB, sustain this angle AOB at the center O, and sustains an angle ACB at the circumference. So what are we expected to do? We are expected to prove that this angle is always 2 times this. That's what we're expected to prove. So look at this very well. If we have this, this can be called angle A. This can also be called angle B. Now, will there be any need for construction? Yes. There will be need for construction, because how do you prove this without construction? Now, let me see. We'll now say construction. Construction. We will join line OC down to a point, to any point, let's say Q. So we'll join line, OC to a point, let's say Q. Now, see the way I will construct it. I will now, let me use dotted lines to show that they are constructed lines. To a point, let me call this one Q, capital letter Q. So by that, I have created an angle here and also created an angle here. Is that? So when we look at it very well, what are we required to prove? We are required to prove that angle AOB is equal to 2 times ACB. 2 times ACB. That's what we are required to do. If we're able to have this now, what else? We just need to make some simple comparisons and with the previous theorems that we already have and axioms. We will now look at this, please. You will now notice that line OC is equal to OA and is equal to OB, which is equal to radius. What are we saying? OC is a radius, OA is a radius, OB is a radius. So they are equal. So it implies, you now say, therefore, since this OA is equal to OC, you now say since OA is equal to OC, therefore, angle, since OA is equal to, you now say, therefore, Therefore, angle OCA will be equal to, sorry, this is the way we write angle. This OA is equal to OC. And I'll say, therefore, angle OCA, that's angle OCA, will be equal to angle CAO. Will be equal to angle CAO, which is equal to what? A in degrees. By implication, this angle is A. Now, you can now reason is that they are isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. That's the reason. Isosceles triangle. Now, if you look at it again, then check out, since OB, and I'll say since OB is equal to OC, is equal to OC, therefore angle OBC will be equal to angle BCO, which is equal to small letter b in degrees. What we are saying is that this place will not be b in degrees. Reason, isosceles triangle. So if we look at it very well, there is a very simple principle that says that the exterior angle of any triangle, now the exterior, this is an exterior angle of the triangle AOC. The exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two opposite angles. So which means that it implies that angle AOQ is equal to angle C is equal to angle CAO plus angle OCA, which is equal to A plus A. That will give us 2A in degrees. Now, looking at another one again, that it also implies that angle BOQ is equal to angle OBC plus is equal to angle OBC plus angle BCO. Angle BCO, which is equal to what? Which is equal to B plus B, and that will give you 2B. Are we there? Very well. From what we had on the plane figure here, you will discover that angle AOB is equal to, that's angle AOB is equal to angle AOQ plus angle plus angle BOQ. So, what do we need to do? therefore, angle AOB will be equal to, what is our AOQ? See our AOQ here, and AOQ is equal to 2A. We now say 2A. Then plus BOQ. What is our, see our BOQ? It's equal to what? 2B. Then you now say 2B. Can we see that? Sorry, please. This is 2B. So from there now, we can easily factor out this. Angle AOB will be equal to 2 into what? A plus B. That is a very simple proof now. If you look at it, what is our, that's this angle AOB is equal to 2 times A plus B. That is 2 times A plus B. That's all. We've proved it. Thank you. If you like my video, subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you very much.